What if I told you that the best support and resistance are not what you think they are, and that is what every Malaysian trader is hiding from you, how to spot them? And in this video I've simplified it into just 2 steps. Mastering this is the first step in mastering the alchemist trading strategy. What's the Malaysian SnR concept? Is a special way of drawing your demand and supply by paying attention to how your bullish candle opens and how your bearish candle closes. We have 2 types of Malaysian SnR, the Malaysian classic support and resistance and the Malaysian open and close. This is the Malaysian classic and this is the Malaysian open and close. Now the Malaysian classic is when 2 candles move in opposite direction, forming what? A V shape. This is what 2 candles now, a bearish candle and what? A bullish candle. They are in opposite direction, and what can you see that it forms what? A V shape. This bearish candle, this is the open of it and it closes here now, and from this level this bullish candle from here was opened and closed here, giving us this V shape here. Now again, we don't look at the size of the second candle, so this is what the second candle, it can actually be what? A very high momentum candle, which the view will be like this, or low candle like this. We then mark out the roots of this V shape as what? As our demand zone. So we want price action to retrace to this level. I'll make our entry here. Our stop loss gonna be few pips below here. Let's take a look at some examples. So this is the 4-hour time frame of AUD/USD, guys. Can you help me spot this Malaysian classic? We have this level here now. This candle open and close here. 2 candles in opposite direction, guys. First part of the V and the second part of what? The V. Can you see how when market came back to this level, market retreated off this level and finally moved in our direction? And this trade is a 1:6 risk to reward ratio, guys. The risk to reward ratio is very massive. This is one of the low ones I've seen. Where can we see another one here? We have this level right here, guys. You see how we bounce off this level before what? Coming down. These serve as potential demand zones in the market. Keep watching, because by the end of this video I'm going to be showing you a secret indicator you can use to map out this for free. Can we find another one here now? Can you look at this zone here now? Can you see that this whole market movement to the upside started from this level? And if we entered from this level now, this is what? Over 1:18 risk to reward ratio, guys. Let's look for more examples. You see this V here now. This candle opened here and closed here, and we have something like this. Can you see this one feed us in now? Can we find another one? This one here. We couldn't fill us in before moving. Can we see this one here now? So almost feed us in. Let's take a look at the bearish Malaysian classic, guys. Bearish Malaysian classic is when 2 candles move in opposite direction, forming what? An A-shaped pattern. Can you see these 2 candles are in opposite direction now? This bullish candle opened here and closed here. This bearish candle opened here and what? Closed here now. Can you see that from here to here and from here to here is like what? An A-shaped pattern right here now. So what we'll do is we'll find the root of the A, which is here. I want price action to retrace back to this level. Let's take a look at some examples of it. Look, same examples we have here. Here can we see, check the bearish classic. We have this guy right here now. This guy actually opened and closed here. Mark out the root of it. Can you see how price action retrace back to that level root before falling to the upside, which we made our entry from here. Stop loss above here. And can you see this is a 1:11 risk to reward ratio, guys. This is what? A V-shaped pattern, guys. I'm gonna be showing you how you can spot this with an indicator that is free. Keep watching. Can we find another one around here and see this level right here now? This bullish candle opened here and closed here. This bearish candle opened here and closed here. Mark out the root of the A pattern. And you see how price action came back here, retrace before finally going to the downside. Can we find another one here, guys? So this is an A pattern right here, and this is the root of it. Can you see how price action retrace before going to the downside? Markets will teach you one thing for short, that is the least expected levels in the market that often moves price rapidly. I'm telling you guys, it's not about having so many opportunities. It's about handling the current opportunity that you actually have, and this is an opportunity for you guys. So let's talk about the second type of Malaysian SnR, which is the Malaysian open and close. So the Malaysian open and close, when two candles move in the same direction. Can you see this is two candles, 1 and 2, and they are in the same direction, provided that the second candle closes above the first candle. See, the second candle closed above the first candle. The difference between the close of the first candle and the open of the second candle is our demand zone. You see, the difference between the close of the first candle and the open of the second candle is my demand zone. So the bearish scenario of this is when two candles move in the same direction, this bearish candle, and the difference between the close of the first candle and the difference between the open of the second candle is what? My supply zone. One price action will retrace back here, it will bounce off definitely, and once price action retrace back here, it will bounce off to sell to the downside. I don't normally use this Malaysian open and close alone. I use it in conjunction with the Malaysian classic. Let me show you how I do that. Look at this trade that we took here now. We could have taken this trade from what? This is our Malaysian classic theme, right? And this is our Malaysian open and close. Two candles in the same direction. Difference between the close of the first candle and the open of the second candle. This trade we took here, we could have taken it from this level. And look at this one here now. Look at this one that almost feed us in, that we didn't enter. Could have entered from something like this, and we could have caught this trade. 1:17 raised to reward ratio, guys. You have to actually train your eyes for this. If not, something might be right in front of you but still invisible to an untrained eye. Just as in life, your success depends on how well you navigate what the challenges you can actually see. And we find another one. Look at this guy here now, the Malaysian classic and the Malaysian open and close. Could have given us a trade like this. A 1:5 risk to reward ratio, guys. Again, can we see another one? Malaysian classic and Malaysian open and close, which feed us in and moved in our direction. So we've gotten to the part of the video you all have been waiting for. So what's the quick way of spotting all this is with an indicator? Before that, I want you to give me a like and a subscribe and leave a comment about any question you have. So the thing is what? Move to your indicator and search the moving average. When you click on it, click on these settings here and switch this 9 to what? 1, and you will have something like this. Can you see that it automatically prints out these V shapes for us here in the chart? Can you see? You need to use all this. Can you see this level here now? Can you see this V shape here now? It is actually that trade that we took from this level right here. And can you see another one here now? This trade that we took here is actually this one now. Can you see how we entered from this level that took price to the upside? So this is actually the first step in mastering the alchemist trading strategy. In my next video, I'll show you how to utilize this with the smart money to make better trading decisions. Like and subscribe if this video helps. And besides, you don't want to miss out on this strategy once it comes out. So click on this playlist in front of you if you want to start your smart money journey.